Bismarck was laid down in 1936 and her construction was finished in 1940. She was larger than all existing European battleships of the time. Length 250.5 meters, width 36 meters, draft 10.2 meters, maximum combat displacement 50,900 tons. 40% of the ship's combat displacement was allocated to her armour, meaning that Bismarck had great armour. Maximum thickness of the main armour belt 320 millimeters, horizontal armour thickness 110 millimeters, main turret caliber 180 to 360 millimeters, conning tower thickness 200 to 350 millimeters. The primary weapon of the battleship, her main caliber, was 4 twin turret mounts. SKC-34 gun caliber, 3